So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and shoot this video out here in the garden. We have our vegetable garden that is all done, and I'm really excited to show you. There's a couple of things that still need to be done, but with the heat we're kind of having to wait a little bit, so I didn't want to make you guys wait. I wanted to share this with you. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and kind of walk you through my vegetable garden. We're going to insert some pictures of what it looked like before and then what we kind of made and what we did differently. I'm really excited and pleased with it. It is about 110, 112 right now in Arizona, so it's not as if all of the crops are looking so magnificent. But anyhow, I'm excited and I know they'll do great. So let's get in and let me show you what we got going on. Okay, so as you come up to the garden, you come through this gate, and there's a beautiful arbor, and I've got the trailing roses on both sides. There's a David Austin rose on this side and a David Austin rose on that side. So you walk through, and to the right you have more of a rose garden. Excuse me. This is a tangelo tree. I do get fruit off of it. It hasn't really been very good, but I am getting fruit, so that's exciting. On this side, we have a couple little projects we're gonna do right here. And then over here is gonna be where all of my wildflowers are. So all this whole line will be, we just need to run water to it, and then I have seeds and it will be sunflowers. I have yellow and white sunflowers, foxtails, just all a bunch of different wildflowers. So that'll be along that back with some dirt. And these are my beds. I have 6 3x3. I actually got them off of Walmart.com. They were about $600 cheaper than the ones I was going to buy for the same exact size and everything. So these are not coming up yet, but it's onions, Walla Walla onions, different salad mixes, and then this is my ambrosia corn. Then over here we have snow peas. Over here we have squashes and zucchini, blueberry bush, and then back here is where I'm going to put one more vine of grapes. There's a yellow grape, or a green grape, and a red grape, and this is all going to be vines for the grapes. And in here, the only thing that's left to do in here is it has water. We're going to add some more dirt in there, one more bush, and then there's a structure that's just like basically 2 posts and then some wire that's going to go across, just so that it has the vining to grab a hold of. So it's really shaping up and very beautiful. I've got my tomato plants. I've got a little mini tomato, and then a bigger tomato. I went ahead and brought my bench out here just to see what I thought. I'm not sure. I've got my topiaries on both sides, and this is a trailing vine. Keep in mind, it is 112. We're going to get up to 115 and 17 this weekend. So plants are looking a little wilty, and please disregard the mess right here. We're still finishing up, but I just didn't want to wait. I wanted to show you guys, you know, the look and how it is, and I will obviously give you updates so that you can see what's happening here. But this tomato bush is really doing well. I have strawberries in here, and then we have additional roses on this side. This is the arbor we walked through coming in, so this is a view from inside the garden, just to give you, you know what I mean, how we are to the house. We're in the back corner. This is the rose garden all through here, and then this is the walkway into the rose and the cut garden. So again, just disregard that part. But this is still some work that can be, you know, put in here. This is a Myers lemon tree, and then you can just see through here, this is the cut garden over there. roses still and different foliage through here. Sorry. And then this is the rose portion of the garden. This is all strictly roses. So that kind of gives you, again, kind of a look of where we're at in conjunction to the house. And then this is the view into the actual vegetable garden. And I just imagine it being all full, and the beautiful topiaries, and then our garden. I have these nets up right at this moment because, as I said, it's very hot here and I don't want the leaves to get scorched. So we're just kind of leaving them on at this time, but they are, they're removable, so I can take them off whenever I need to. And especially for that corn, because it's going to get big soon. And then I can move them to tomato plants or, blueberries or anything like that. We have the strawberries, but we have not had anything come up yet. I'm a little concerned, but with gardening, that's the way it is. You try, and sometimes you fail. Over here, this is our apple tree. And then, so we have tangerine, apple, and then right over here is our lemon tree. So here's just a little bit of a view of, as we leave the garden. We have our new walkway that I'm still just so in love with. The house. And then here's our cut garden. And right over here is a little bench seating area. I try to have a little seating area in each of my gardens, in every area. And then this is the vegetable garden. Well, thank you so much for joining me. This is a nice short little video, but I just wanted to share with you instead of making you wait, and I didn't want to wait any longer. So hoping that you just got a little inspiration to maybe make a little vegetable garden for yourself. And these boxes I did get online from Walmart. I actually saved about $600 by going this route instead of where I was going to buy them from. So I'm super excited about that. They're holding up really well even with the heat. And I'm excited to see what they'll do. I hope I gave you a little bit of motivation and inspired you to do a little something out in your garden today. Have a great day, and I'm going to insert some pictures of what it looks like at night. Have a great day. Bye, guys.